I'll show you an example to make you understand why are we using risk to reward ratio. In the market, there is nobody who can say that I have done all the trades correct. Okay, nobody can do 100% trades correct. There are going to be trades where you're going to be wrong. But if you maintain your risk to reward ratio, you can ensure that you will not face losses. Now, how do I say this? So, for example, let us presume that I invested 10,000 rupees in the market. Okay, and I did 10 trades. So, like I've shown over here, I have put 10,000 rupees in every trade that I put. I have kept a risk reward ratio of 1 is to 1 is to 5. Okay, for that means what? That I will keep a stop loss of not more than 1, and I will get out at least at 1.5. So that is, I will see to it that I should make at least 1.5. Whenever I enter a trade, I will ensure that this is the minimum profit that I can make. So here, if I did 10 trades, and out of those 10 trades, if I made mistakes in 5 trades, okay, so here I have shown that 5 trades I have faced a loss. So on the basis of 1%, say on 10,000, I'm not taking percent, I'm taking 1 is to this. So let's presume 10%. So 10%, I have got how much? 1,000 rupees of loss. And I have done 5 such trades. So I have lost how much? I have lost 5,000 rupees. Similarly, in profits, if you can see, for every 1% or 1.5, 15%, let's presume. So here I will make on 10,000 how much? I will make 1,500. So if I do even 5 trades correct, the total of 5 trades will be how much? 7,500. So even after making 5 wrong trades, because I have done 5 proper trades, I will still make money. Okay, this is if you maintain a risk reward ratio of say 1 to 1 is to 5. But if you maintain a risk reward ratio of say 1 is to 2, so like you can see over here, I have done 6 wrong trades and I have done 4 correct trades. And still, even after 6 wrong trades, I lost 6,000. But because in these 4 correct trades, I made 2,000, I am still making 8,000. So I am still in the positive side. Okay, so risk reward ratio basically ensures what? It ensures that even after making mistakes, you will still not lose money because you have maintained a risk reward ratio and because you have done risk management. Okay, so this is why risk reward ratio is, or risk maintaining risk reward ratio is very important.